What's up, my name's Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to install Nginx Mainline, which is the cutting edge branch of Nginx, on your Ubuntu 22.04 server, or of course, newer. You'll obviously need SSH access to your server, for which I'm using Visual Studio Code over here. We'll start off by updating our system. It's the simple sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y to update all of the packages on our computer, and when we're done, we can clear and of course restart if necessary. If you're already running Nginx, you'll need to sudo systemctl stop Nginx and sudo apt get auto remove Nginx star to uninstall all Nginx applications from your computer. In my case, I don't have anything, so I can clear and we can continue to installing Nginx Mainline. Now, there's two ways of doing this. The easier method, which we'll be using because we're using Ubuntu, is simply adding a PPA repository instead of manually getting and adding the Nginx keys and setting up the mainline repo. To do this, all we need to do is sudo add apt repository PPA Andre Nginx Mainline -y, and when we do so, it'll add it to our server. This is the latest Nginx Mainline package compiled against OpenSSL for HTTP2 and TLS 1.3 support. Of course, if you'd like, you can run sudo add apt repository PPA Andre Nginx instead of mainline to get the normal version, the stable version, but I'll be using the cutting edge branch. Then we'll sudo apt update, and finally sudo apt install Nginx core, Nginx common, then Nginx, and Nginx full -y. Then it'll go ahead and collect everything and install it onto our server. Finally, we can verify it's the mainline using apt cache policy Nginx. And you'll see that we have 1.23 installed with the latest candidate here. This is using the PPA that we just added rather than the official Ubuntu and other mirrors that we can have below it, currently running 118. Awesome. Now, of course, you can sudo nano etc nginx conf and set up your server as you usually would, but you may as well want to enable and start Nginx if it's not already running. To check, systemctl status Nginx, and you'll see it's currently running. If not, systemctl start Nginx. And to keep it running whenever our system restarts, systemctl enable Nginx. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick setup guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.